StrataScratch, where we break down the data and crack interview together. You're watching this SQL playlist where I'm going to share my all the experience, the list of questions that I really follow to crack my interview. This series will cover all type of questions from SQL. Means I will update every day new mostly asked interview questions from SQL. Together with that, we will also cover all the case study type of a problem from SQL. Together with you will be really confident with your basic to advanced level in SQL. We will also include few LeetCode type of a problem, hacker rank type of a problem, and many more. So let's study SQL theory as well as coding every day with me.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to DataCrack.